super motocross race teams practically rebuild their bikes between every race weekend. So you might not think there's too much to do to the bike on race day. At this level, race day maintenance is essential for competitive advantages, winning races, and ultimately winning titles.
Everything that we do is a preventative maintenance to try and be ahead of the game due to the demanding, rigorous structure of motocross. Generally, we have about an hour to get these bikes flipped between sessions. We'll take the bikes to the wash bay, we'll clean them all up. A lot of electronics on these bikes these days, so it's important to keep those connectors dry. If we think we have water in any of the connectors, we'll blow them dry with the air and then we'll reconnect everything. But usually after a 30-minute motor, the chain will stretch, so we'll have to adjust the chain and add lubrication to it. Drain the oil, change the oil in the oil filter, remove and inspect the clutch. Some guys will need a new clutch, some guys won't. Some guys prefer a broken-in clutch. We'll check the 3-plate on the throttle. The guys will generally check all the nuts and bolts, tighten the spokes. Some guys are harder on brakes than others, and some guys will need brake pads replaced after each race, and the fluid will get hot, so we'll have to bleed the system. Change the air filter, check the tire pressures. We'll usually do one front tire for all day on the Saturday, but we'll have a fresh rear tire for each race. An important one is also to check the antifreeze, because here at the Nationals, the bikes get quite hot. So we'll check the coolant level in the radiators also. You'll be surprised how many production-based parts that we use, and something might last 2 months for the general public, but it might only last 1 day for us. It's just the level and the speed in which they're being used at. Between Supercross and Motocross, the maintenance does differ. The total time on an engine at Supercross is less than an hour, but at Motocross, we do 40 minutes of practice and 2 35-minute races. That's a lot more toll on the component. The mechanics do this day in, day out, and they're confident in what they do. This could take someone at home maybe 2 or 3 hours. Just because it's done quickly doesn't mean it's not effective. And like I said, these guys do it day in, day out, and the attention to detail has to be 100%.